What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to chirp quarter note and eighth note rhythms. You'll find a link to the sheet music and everything discussed in this video in the description below. If you're not familiar with music theory terminology, check out our Baby Scratch series where you go over various note values and get yourself caught up. Now, let's get started. The tempo is at 90 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's move on to number 2. This time, let's focus on wrecker and fader control. We want our strokes to be clean and even as we open and close the fader. If you don't have good fader control, your chirp will sound sloppy. Alright? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play rhythm 2 again, and this time we will focus on playing clean and even strokes while we count out loud. Counting out loud will help us make sure that our strokes are evenly spaced apart and on beat. Let's count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a feeling that you're starting to get the quarter notes on beat, but you might be rushing the eighth notes. We're going to continue to count out loud while we get our strokes clean and evenly spaced apart. But this time, we're going to focus on not rushing the eighth notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully, you're starting to get the hang of this by now. With our last rhythm, let's focus on getting a clean and consistent sound. We want our strokes to sound crisp and clear. Let's get it sounding nice and even. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We suggest that you incorporate these rhythms into your daily practice routine and make sure that you practice this with both hands. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but eventually you'll get used to it over time. Our made easy method is structured and progressive, so as long as you practice faithfully and consistently, you will continue to get better. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.